Hey guys, I'm Jameson with Rogue Engineer, and today on this part of our cabinet series, we're going to be showing you how we built this 7-inch slim cabinet, which is perfect for pans and baking trays and all that jazz. Okay, so today I'm going to be assembling a slim 7-inch wide base cabinet, and this is going to be a European style cabinet, which is a frameless design. That just means that it's not going to have a face frame like your typical traditional cabinets. But this is a 7-inch slim cabinet, like I said, with just one small door on the front. This is going to be perfect for right beside the oven, where you can store like baking pans and stuff like that. So I'm going to start off with this cabinet by cutting all the sides down to the appropriate length. I'm working with 24-inch wide pre-finished maple, so I don't have to rip them down. I just have to simply cut them down to 34.5 inches, which is going to be the height of the cabinet. Once I've got those cut down, I can just run the jigsaw across the bottom corner to cut out the toe kick for both sides. Then I cut out the top, the bottom, and the back, and I'm on to assembly. Alright guys, thanks for tuning into this video. If you're interested in other cabinets that we've made, or for instance how we sprayed these cabinet doors, how we installed the hinges, crown molding, end panels, there's going to be tons of other videos in this series, which we will link up all of those directly below. As always, until next time, be safe and happy building.